clear public, informed public, provided must be very honest, unbiased, objective. That's important. The media people, please carry continuously thorough investigation. All these, because of the spot where you have some doubt, thorough investigation. And those concerned people side also made clear all your work must be transparent. So that's my view. So I feel no problem. Come here, meet people and talk. Because of some criticism, remain distance, not much use. Come face to face and talk. Because frankly, bluntly, truth always remains truth. So more talk, more investigation, truth become more clear.